Good morning, children. In the last video, I have explained chapter 4, that is limit. Okay, we have started with chapter 4. So, limit we have started and we have done exercise introduction we have done, and then we have done few illustrations, and that is based on exercise 4.1. So, today I am going to explain you exercise 4.1. Okay, so let's start with our sum. So, the first question is express the following in a modulus and interval form. So, look into your textbook, everyone. So, first question, question number one, first one is, see, I have written 0 0.4 neighborhood of 4, right? So, I told you what the first number is delta and the second number is a. So, where a equal to 4 and delta equal to 0. So, what you have to find? You have to find the modulus form and interval form. So, here the modulus formula is modulus x minus a less than delta, that is modulus x minus 4 less than 0 0.4. Then interval form, that is a minus delta and a plus delta, that is 4 minus 0 0.4 and 4 plus 0 0.2, that comes to 3.6 and 4.2. So, this is the answer of, this is your answer. This is the answer of modulus form and this is the answer of interval form. Right? Now, our second sum. So, the second question is 0 0.02 neighborhood of 2. 0 0.02 neighborhood of 2. So, where a equal to 2 and delta equal to 0 0.2. Right? So, modulus form, that is x minus a less than delta, that is x minus 2 less than 0 0.2. So, this is the answer of modulus form. Now, interval form. So, interval form is a minus delta and a plus delta, that is 2 minus 0 0.2 and 2 plus 0 0.2, that is 1.8 and 2.2. So, this is the answer of the second sum, right? So, this way you have to do all the four sums, right? Third question is 0.05 neighborhood of 0, where a equal to 0 and b delta equal to 0.05. Then the fourth is 0.001 neighborhood of minus 1. So, a equal to minus 1 and delta equal to 0.001. So, like this, you have, in this way you have to do the all the four sums, right? Now, next question we will see. Question number 2. So, question number 2 is express the following in interval and neighborhood form, right? So, in this interval and neighborhood form is given, you have to find, and given is modulus form, right? So, let's start with our sum. So, this is our first question, that is modulus x minus 2 less than 0.01. So, here according to the formula, our formula is modulus x minus a less than delta, right? So, in place of a, what is used? 2. We will write a equal to 2 and delta equal to 0.01. So, by the from the given information, whatever is given from that, we got a and delta. So, what we have to find? Interval and neighborhood. So, interval form. A minus delta, a plus delta. So, here a is 2.01 plus 0.01. That is 1 point, that comes to 1 point uh, 1.999, right? 1.999, right? Now neighborhood form. Now neighborhood form you have to find, that is A is 2 and 0.01, right? So this is the answer, right? Now next sum we will see, that is second sum. Now second one is, see the typical sums I will do. Now second one is x plus 5 less than 0.1. Right? So this is the question given. Now the answer is, this is the question, right? Interval form is a minus delta and a plus delta. That is minus 5 minus 0.1 minus 5 plus 0.1. That comes to minus 5.1 and minus 4.9. The neighborhood form formula is n a comma delta, that is a is minus 5 and delta is 1 minus 5 0.1. This is the answer of neighborhood form, right? This is interval form and this is the answer of neighborhood form. So this is your solution of second sum. Now see the third one. Now let's see the third sum. Modulus so the next question is modulus x less than 1 by 3, where a is, see here only x is given and a is not given, means our formula was modulus x minus a, but here a is not given. So what we have to take in place of a equal to 0. 0 we have to take, right? So this is the important thing in this one, because in here x minus that a is coming, but in place here modulus x minus nothing is given, means only x is given. So in place of a, what we have to take when nothing is given, we have to take 0. So next, what we have to find is interval a minus delta and a plus delta. 0 minus 1 by 3 and 0 plus 1 by 3. That is minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3. This is your interval form. Then neighborhood form a and delta, that comes to 0 and 1 by 3. So this is your answer for the third sum. Now we will see the fourth one. See whether it is a, yes, fourth one you can do by yourself. Okay. Now see, we will see the third question, right? So in this question, modulus and neighborhood you have to find, and the given is whatever is given, that is in the form of interval form, right? So let's start with our third question first. So this is our question. So in interval form, what you are writing a minus you are writing a minus delta and a plus delta. So first one is a minus delta. So this is the value of a minus delta. So a minus delta is 3.8 and here 4.8 is given. That is a plus delta is 4.8. Right? So with the help of these two things, what you have to find? You have to find a and delta. Right? So in this case, what we will be doing? We have to find a and delta by using elimination method. Right? So a plus delta equal to 4.8 and a minus delta equal to 3.8. Right? So delta is equal to 1.8, 1.0 or we can say 1, right? 1.0 or 1. है ना 1.0 लिखो या 1 लिखो 1 and 2 से. So delta equal to 1 by 2, right? That we can write as 0.5. Now we have to substitute this delta in any of the equations. So here we got the value as 4 point, value of delta is 4.6. Now we have to find, so what we got, delta equal to 0.5 and a equal to 4.6. Now you have to find modulus form. So what is the formula? So this is the answer of modulus form, right? 4.3. Then what you have to find is neighborhood form. See here 0.5. So it will be 4.3. Value of A is 4.3. And here delta 0.5 and A is 4.3. Then modulus form, modulus x minus 4.3, right? And neighborhood n equal to A comma delta, that is A n in bracket 4.3 comma 0.5. This is your answer of. Now we will do the next sum. Next also in the same way only you have to do. I will do first and third sum, right? And second and fourth you have to do in homework. minus a minus delta is minus 0.4 and a plus delta is 1. Right? So this is the way. Right? Here in this way we got a equal to 0.5 and delta equal to 0.9. Now you have to find modulus form. This is modulus form. Then what you have to find is neighborhood form. So this is the answer of your third sum. Understood? This is a very simple method. Okay. Simple questions they are asking. Modulus, interval, and neighborhood. These three forms are very much easy for you to find. And nothing like complicated sums are not. These all are not complicated sums. Right. Now you have to find question number 4. What is question 4? See, express n 16 and 0.5 the interval and modulus form. Now, see question number 4 is n 16 and 0.5. This is given, right? Then you have to find uh, interval and modulus form. So first you have to find a and delta. So a equal to 16 and delta equal to 0.5, right? Then what you have to find interval form. A minus delta, a plus delta. That is 16 minus 0.5 and 16 plus 0.5. That comes to 15.5 and 16.5. Okay. Now you have to find modulus form. So our formula is x minus a less than delta. That is x minus 16 less than 0.5. So these are the and this is the answer of fourth question. So see in this question n is given, neighborhood is given. That is what is the formula of neighborhood and a and delta. So in place of a they have taken 16 and in place of delta they have taken 0.5. In this way you got a and delta. Then with the help of a and delta you have to find interval form and modulus. So for finding these three forms, first thing you have to know is the value of a and delta. So first thing what you have to find a and delta from the given information, and then you have to find whatever is asked in the question. Right? This is a very simple way you have to find. But now next is the most important sum. So tick mark that one. That is if NCB equal to 2.95 K, then find the value of B and K. So now let's see. Now let's see the fifth sum. So the question is, this is the question, right? So here n e d it is given, and here it is given in this form bracket. Whenever I told you, whenever the numbers are given in the bracket, like d and suppose 6, so we will take this number as a minus delta and this number is a plus delta. So this is the format of whatever we say. Like, अगर ब्रैकेट में दो नंबर्स दिए हैं, सिंपली दो नंबर्स ही दिए हैं, लाइक अभी अगर नंबर की जगह पर अगर कोई अल्फाबेट भी दिया होगा x and 2 सपोज दिया, so this is your a minus delta and this is your a plus delta. So always consider in this way only, right? And if it is given like this, outside the bracket if n is given, then we will consider this as a neighborhood form. And without anything, only in bracket two numbers are given, then we have to consider that as interval, right? Now here n, b and b, so this is neighborhood form, that is a and delta. Neighborhood form is a comma delta. So here in place of a they have given b, and in place of delta they have given b, right? Then next thing, what is given 2.95 comma k. So this we will consider, this thing we will consider as a minus delta and a plus delta, right? So this way we have to consider. So what is the value of a minus delta? So a minus delta is 2.9 and a plus delta is k, right? So a minus delta, a value is 3 minus delta is 2.9. So therefore delta equal to 3 minus 2.95, that comes to 0.0, right? Then you have to find this we found. Now this we have to find. Now a is 3 and value of delta we got over here, that is 0.05 plus k. Therefore a is 3.05. Understood? See here n comma and in bracket b and b is given. Whenever in bracket two numbers where we are given, number or variable, anything they can be. Okay, and outside the bracket if n is there, then only we will consider it as a neighborhood. When nothing is given like this, then we will consider it as an interval, right? So here we have to one by one we have to take the values. सबसे पहले neighborhood form जो भी दिया है वो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली लेंगे. फर्स्ट ये neighborhood दिया, तो n, p and b. So a in place of a 3 is given, in place of delta b is given. अब next 2.95 comma k. So this is, I told you, this is in the form of interval. So see, interval form. So that is 2.95 comma k can be written as in the interval form a minus delta, a plus delta. So first value, इसका value ये होगा, a minus delta is equal to 2.95. Then we have to substitute the value. अब हमारे पास सब कुछ value है तो substitute करो. Okay, so we are having the value of a. Delta, no need of taking delta. Delta is also a variable only. So no need. If number is given, then we have to find. So 3 minus delta equal to 2.95. Then we will be getting delta is 0.05. Then next is given a plus delta equal to k. So we will substitute the values. अब हमारे पास first of all what we were having, t was already given in the question, a value of a. Then we found delta. Okay. Then we have to substitute all the values in a plus delta. Then we will be getting a, k, that is called 3.05, right? So these are the two answers, right? This is an important question, children. learn this properly, understand this sum very properly. Now let's see the sixth sum. That is x minus 10 less than k1 equal to k2 comma 10.01. The same thing as they have given. See, this is also an important sum. Wait a minute, it is not there. Now sixth sum. Now clear? Right? Okay, so this is same as your fifth sum. Right? Now this one is given. First we will take this one. Okay, so the value is so here x minus so this is our formula. Of which formula this is? This is your modulus form, right? So in place of a we got 10, and in place of delta we got k1. Right? Now next is k2 10.01. So this is in the form of, I told you, integral. So a minus delta, a plus delta. So a minus delta k2 and a plus delta 10.0. Okay, so these are the things what we got. Now, what we have to do, see, as much as possible, you have to find three things are given. Two things you should have. A delta and 10.1. तो ये तो नंबर है, इन दोनों में से एक नंबर होना जरूरी है. तो देखो यहाँ पे दिया है ना, तो 10 plus delta equal to 10.01. So 10 equal to 10.01 minus 10. So the value of delta comes to 0.01. So here you got the value of delta by substituting this one. Here, suppose if you are substituting a here, then you will not get any answer. Okay, for getting an answer, you substituted in this, right? So now what we have to do, this delta you have to substitute in this one. That is a minus delta equal to a. So a is 3 minus, a is 10 minus 0.01 equal to 8. Right? That comes to 9 0.9. So the value of K2 is 0.99, right? Sorry, 9.99. Now, what you have to find? K1 also you have to find. So see. Here, delta equal to K1. Therefore, value of delta is 0.1. Got it? See, I will explain you here in this question. This is the question, right? Then this we have taken first one, that is modulus x minus 10 is equal to less than k1. This is k1, right? Then this is in the form of modulus, right? The modulus x minus a, the modulus x minus a less than delta. So from this, what we got, value of a and value of delta. That is a equal to 10 and delta equal to k1, right? Now, next thing we have taken, that is k2 in bracket k2 and 0.01 is 10.01 is given. So what I told you that whenever these two numbers are given without n, any number is given in the bracket and including two numbers is given. Then what you have to take, that is interval form, that is a minus delta is k2 and a plus delta is 10.01. Now see, here it is not possible for us to find any value. So we have taken the second thing, a plus delta. So we have substituted the values. That is the value of a we got earlier, that is 10. So 10 plus delta equal to 10.01, right? Then we got delta equal to 10.01. Then what is the value of delta? That is k1. So here that means if delta equal to k1, therefore k1 equal to 0.01, है ना? यहाँ पे डेल्टा का वैल्यू हमको मिला है ना 10.0.01 और डेल्टा यहाँ पे हमने फाइंड किया है कि डेल्टा इक्वल टू k1. तो डेल्टा इक्वल टू k1 है तो k जो डेल्टा का वैल्यू होगा वही k1 का वैल्यू भी होगा. वैसे हमको k1 का वैल्यू मिला, राइट? अब ये चीज को हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. देखो a माइनस डेल्टा इक्वल टू k2. तो a क्या था 10, डेल्टा क्या था 0.01. देन फाइंड k2. तो k2 विल बी 9.99. Okay? You have to think twice and then only you can substitute. कहाँ substitute करने से value आएगा? See, always remember that if three things are given, three things is as if three things are given, then two values you should be having. Otherwise you won't get the value. वो तो तुमको पता है. तीन में से दो चीज का value होना ही चाहिए हमारे पास. That's why we have used this, right? यहाँ पे एक a का वैल्यू था और यहाँ पर एक ऑलरेडी नंबर दिया हुआ है तो डेल्टा डायरेक्टली मिल जाता है, इसलिए हमने वो सेकंड ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट किया. So this is the method of fixing the sum and this is also one important question, right? Now next sum. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Now we will see the next video. Okay, bye. And do the homework, all the illustrations and exercise this 4.1 till where I have explained that.